Hey guys, have I got a great surprise for you. Here you are in your first guitar lesson and you're about to find out that you're already a guitar player. All we need to be able to do is pluck this first string with your guitar pick, your thumb, or a finger. On this hand, we need to be able to press that string against the fretboard. So let's get started. On this first string, we're going to look at these different marked areas called frets. We can count them. There's the first one, second, third. Hopefully you've got a dot on yours. If you don't, it doesn't matter. Fourth, fifth for sure has a dot. Sixth and seventh also has a dot. So on the first string, let's count up to the 7. It's this dot. Press the string against the fretboard, right up against the fret. And there's 7. In this song that we're going to play this 7 first, move it to 5, and then to 3. So we're on these dots, 7, 5, and 3. You can use your pointer finger, a second finger, whatever finger presses the string the best and makes the best sound. Very often I'll use 3 different fingers. So, on your screen you'll see that you have 7, 5, 3. So let's play that. 7 to 5 to 3. We get to do it again. 7, 5, 3. While you're on the 3, play it 4 more times. Then move up to the 5. And then repeat 7, 5, 3. 3 notes and your first song. Did you recognize it yet? When you're playing it, you probably don't yet because you're thinking of your fingers so much. But if I play it, you should recognize at least that you know the sound of it. That's right, it's Hot Cross Buns. Let's move to our second song. We're going to do the same notes. 7, 5, 3. But once we hit 3, work your way back up to 5. So we'll go one way and come back. Let's look at that again. 7, 5, 3, 5. And then we're back at 7 and we'll hit it 3 times. So 7, 5, 3, 5, 7, 7, 7. Then 3 times on the 5. And then 7 again. Look how easy that was. It's the thing you learned first, 7, 5, 3. Climb back up to 5 and hit the 7 3 times, the 5 3 times, and the 7 3 times. Now we start again. 7, 5, 3, 5, but hit the 7 4 times this time. A couple of 5s. And then finish off with the thing you've learned so well already, 7, 5, 3. So this second song on the first string goes 7s, 5s, 7s. It repeats, but hits 4 7s, 2 5s, and then the first lick. Did you recognize it? That one's called Mary Had a Little Lamb, or in some books it's called Merrily We Roll Along. There's 2 songs with very similar melodies. So we've been playing on the first string. Let's get some rock and roll going here now and play on the 6th string. The first string is this one closest to the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 strings. The 6th string is this one closest to the ceiling. Now, it turns out I didn't quite tell you the truth. I'm going to add a note. You're already so experienced you can move out of the 3-note club. I still want to play the 3 and 5, but I want to put them on this low string. We're going to start with an O though. That means open. We're playing this string, but we're going to hear the entire string with no fret. So 0 fret with this hand, or open. So we just play that string without fretting it. If this is the 5th fret, this is the fourth, this is the third, second, first. Open is when we're hearing the whole string. It's this little nut of the guitar plays it. So we're going to go open, and then the third fret, and then the fifth. So the same third and fifth we've been using, but we're starting with an open now. O, 3, 5. And I wrote it again. O, 3, 5. And again. What could be simpler? Open 3, 5, open 3, 5, open 3, 5. Then we'll go back. 3, 0, 0. If you're a beginner and you're maybe 10 years old or under, you may not recognize this song yet, but probably your parents do. And guess what? I need one more note. So I've told you to go 035, 035, 035. So 3 times to do that, and that's very easy to remember, but I have to slip in one more note. The second time I go to 5, I want to hit the 6th fret. That's right before the 5. So we'll start with 035. When we do it the second time, throw in a 6 right before the 5. Then another 035, and 3, open, open. 035, 036, 5, 035, 300. Repeat. 035, 036, 5, 035, 300. 3, 4. Maybe you recognize that that is Smoke on the Water. So look at that, guys. In no time at all, you've already learned 3 songs. Notice what we did was we learned one song with 3 notes, the 7th, 5th, and 3rd frets. Then we learned another song that used those, but mixed them up a little bit more. Then we learned another song that used them, but we added a couple pieces of information. Learn one thing, add a little bit to it, get a little bit better, add a little bit more. Why not go here and check out my beginner guitar course? You could get yourself a method book and follow along those lessons as they lead you from day 1 of beginner guitar all the way to an advanced player. Hope to see you there, guys.